Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. You know the vibes already. Welcome to another hair tutorial. It is a new year, new me, and of course I've decided to bring back hair tutorials on a bigger scale, but also I want to have fun with the tutorials. I feel like we've done the basics, we've done the box braids, we've done the passion twist, and so now we're gonna zhuzh it up a little like we've done here. And so yeah, doing this was very like scary for me because I've obviously never done this hairstyle before, and so I wasn't sure like if it was gonna look good or not. But as you can see, she looked good, so I'm so glad that worked out. And so here I am with the tutorial. Yeah, so if you guys want to know how I did this, keep watching. But just in terms of like the amount of braids I used 10 packets of Darling Abuja braid, so it's like a pre-stretched braid. Yeah, so actually more like 9.5 because I didn't finish the 10th packet. But yeah, the rest of the details are pretty much in the video, so let's get into it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go. Okay, so we're going in with the Stylin Dredz molding gel wax. So that is our edge control. Of course, we need some black rubber bands and braiding yarn. Of course, we need a crochet hook. Okay guys, so I've put rubber bands throughout the right side of my head. As you can see, we've just done big partitions throughout, but the general guideline is 4, so we've done 4 across, and yeah, something along the lines in there. So once you've done that, now you can go in with your braiding hair. So today we are using the Darling Abuja Plus hair. So this is what the hair looks like when it's out of the packet. It's already been pre-stretched, so it's easy to use. So I'm gonna put my hook through, attach the braid and close the latch. And then I'm gonna pull out one side of the braids. So it should look like this. Once I've attached the hair, I'm now taking this piece and putting it on top like so. So because I've done that, now I've got 1, 2, 3 pieces, and I'm just gonna start plaiting it like a normal box braid. So because I'm doing a bob, I just need to pay attention to how far down the braid goes, because then I don't want it to be too long. So now we've made it to about here, and I think we can stop the braid there. So what we're gonna do to keep it in place is just take a thin piece of braid like so. You're gonna put your crochet hook through the plaited part. Put your hair through the latch, close the latch, and pull it out. So that way you have pretty much closed it off, so it shouldn't run. Essentially, this is how much you're gonna plait if you're closer to the front. Of course, if you're like up here, you're gonna plait a bit more, but the goal is to just stop round about your shoulders. Okay, so let's repeat the process in the rest of my head. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone off and done the rest of my head. So I'm gonna walk you through how to get this style. So first you need to put through your braid and do your box braid like I spoke about just now. Basically put the hair on, crochet it on, split it into 3 sections, and then just start plaiting like a normal box braid. That's all you need to do at this point. And then how to decide where to stop. Since it is a bob, I'd say use your discretion, but generally I stopped by my shoulder at the bottom, and the higher we got, the higher I stopped as well. Yeah, essentially that's what we're doing. So once you have finished or reached the desired length, you need to take a small piece from that box braid, which you're going to wrap around 3 times. And then you're going to take your crochet hook and pull it through the plaited part and pull that hair out. That is going to secure it. Once that's done, you're going to take your tail comb, your rat tail comb, and then you're going to start pushing the hair up, starting from close to the hair, working yourself down to the end of the braid, where you'll only be left with a little bit of hair. Like so. So once that's done, you now need to take that end and bring it over into a circle, and then again wrap it 3 times to secure, and then use your crochet hook to pull the excess piece through. And then you're just going to tuck that piece into the ball. That is how we're going to hide the rest of that end. And that's it. So we're going to repeat that for 1 more braid. So again, we've crocheted on the hair, split it into 3 parts, and then we're just going to plait it like a normal box braid. And of course, for those front pieces, make sure to match the 2 to make sure that at least they are the same length, since you can actually see those. And then of course, once you are happy with that, take out a small piece again, wrap it around 3 times, and then use your crochet hook to pull that piece through the plaited section. That is going to secure your braid. Once that's done, take your tail comb and start pushing the hair up from close to where you've secured all the way to the bottom. You want it to look as ruched and messy as possible. Once that's done, of course, you need to pull it over into a ball and then secure it again. Wrap it 3 times and then pull that extra piece through using your crochet, and then tuck it into the ball to hide it. So there you have it, guys. Once you've done the whole head, of course, make sure to oil your hair with your oil of choice. This is what I had on hand on this day. And of course, rub it in. After that, I went in with some mousse just to bring some luster into the hairstyle. And then of course I did my edges using the Glamour gel. This Glamour gel can honestly stay on your head like for the longest time, and I've been using this all December, and it was really hot in December, so you know it's gonna stay on. So yeah, definitely recommend this gel. And there you have it, guys. That's the hairstyle.
Can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids.
Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the final look. As you can see, I have styled it and pushed the hair back, and this is actually like my favorite way to wear this hair. I think it's really cute. I also did a little side part situation earlier, and I thought that was so cute as well. But for now, she's given, and I love her so much. I definitely will continue with these more experimental styles. If there's something specific you want to see me do or like watch me recreate, comment down below, DM me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok and Instagram too. But yeah, just DM me, email me, whatever, let me know. And yeah, this year we're trying to make it fun, do some different things with the hair. So yeah, definitely a whole lot more of these coming up, so brace yourselves. And yeah, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.